This nice hotel, Pearl Hotel in Phu Quoc, Vietnam, and we see it has no website inside Google. It just has booking, price line, and more booking channels. So we will be adding the website. So the owner has given me permission, so I will accept the permission from the owner. Accept. It's loading. And now what I will do, I would go to edit profile, and over here you can see it's a hotel as a primary category. That's very good. And now we go down and we say add website. We just need to insert the URL. The URL will take it from here, from the system. You have distribution, booking engine, and you have URL, booking engine URL, and we just need to copy it. We click here, it's already copied, and then we paste it here. So it looks like this, it looks clean, and then we save it. So it's pending. It will take up to 10 minutes to be reviewed, and then it will be shown inside the profile. Also, what can be done, add a social profile. That's something new. We can say Facebook. We go here and we say Facebook. We also add the Facebook page. That's the one. Just take it from here. Save. Excellent. Now we can check to see if the end result has been applied. So we need to wait a bit, but the end result will be here, website. We can see here website has been added. This looks good. So when we click here on website, it will redirect us directly to the booking website, and then you can search for available rooms. And then it displays all the rooms available, so the guests can book directly the room via this booking website. Different view type from here from Google. So we clicked on the profile of the hotel, and then we can see a website here, this button, in a different way. And then again, it will load the booking engine technology, the website. Inside the Google Maps, and you want to search for dates and prices, you will see the different channels and the prices and different booking websites. So you see here the phone number, you can call them, and also the website again. So you click here, from here, the website. So you see the website, it's Google Maps, the Google Business. So the guests will have the possibility to open it and copy and forward it. So that's a very nice feature to have the website as present as here, and just one click of a button, it will just open and display the rooms and the data for you. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and we are here to help.